Hi, I'm Aaron. With the additions of the 2024 Black Edition Ranger and Tremor, I thought it'd be a good time to do a complete refresh course top to bottom on the Rangers. I'm going to go through with the price range. I'm not going to mention the prices because they will fluctuate from when you watch this video. I'm going to start at the Raptor and work my way all the way down to the XL. Starting off with the Raptor, it is built for off-roading. It does come in a V6 petrol. It does have slightly less towing and payload capacity, however. It is a performance vehicle with 297 kilowatts of power. Moving on to the Platinum Ranger, it is built for the executive ute owner. It features heated and ventilated seats. It features the heated steering wheel. It only comes in the V6. The roller shutter and the flexible racking system are also standard. Moving on from there, I would be mentioning the Wildtrak X. However, these were 2023 models only. They were a special edition run.
The Ranger Black is a limited edition. Once they're sold, they are gone. Based on the XL platform, it has black long leg sports bar, a drop-in bed liner with a 12-volt socket, unique 17-inch asphalt black alloy wheels, black side steps, and unique asphalt black mesh grille with bolder grey inserts. It is fitted with the powerful 2-litre bi-turbo engine. The options will be a towing pack, a manual roller shutter, prestige paint, and the auto stop start deletion.
Next with the Rangers are the Wildtrak, the standout of the range. They come in the V6 and the bi-turbo engine. The standard features also include the roller shutter, heated seats, and the larger middle entertainment system. They also, as standard, come with 360 camera and autonomous parking. To also give you the Matrix LED headlights and the LED tail lights. Unlike the Platinum, the accessory switches have to be optioned on with the Premium pack. Next is the Ranger Tremor, which is based off the Sport. It does come with different rims and some extra styling. It features the Bilstein off-road suspension that was also featured on the Wildtrak X. Moving on to its brother, the Ranger Sport. It features leather seats. It also has extra drive modes, has blacked out styling on the grille, door handles, and mirror caps. You can also option on all-terrain tires as well as the touring pack to get the auxiliary switchboard and the 360 camera. Moving on down to the XLT, it is quite similar to the Sport. It also comes with the option of a V6 or a bi-turbo. Standard are the cloth seats. You can option on the all-terrain tires as well as that touring pack from before. The XLT is also the highest spec you can get in a cab chassis. You can also get the cab chassis XLT in the V6. Next, we're going to move to the XLS and XL. These are more commonly bought for the fleet departments looking for work cars, as well as the first-time new car ute buyers. They are great bang for buck. They only come in the bi-turbo engine, but are also 4x4s. You can get all these models in a cab chassis also. The Wildtrak is by far the most requested and purchased vehicle we have because of the standard roller shutter, heated seats, bigger screen, and autonomous parking. It makes it the most demanded vehicle for what you get for your money. If you have any questions about the Rangers, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.